the kingdom comes into you, it will be impossible for you to be squeezed to the mold of the world system. But if you are just a believer who believes in the Lord Jesus Christ, once persecution arises, you bow. Now, if you are only born again, but the kingdom power has not come into you, when Nebuchadnezzar put his image on ground, you will bow. So majority of the Jews bowed. Only Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, they said no. While others were bending, they stood akimbo. The Jews, they are like Yoruba. Kadobale farara komanika maga. Let's prostrate to this dwarf. That does not mean that we will not rise higher. Bow! They did not. Why? Because the kingdom was in them.